In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a classroom syllabus in Notion. Whether you're planning your syllabus for a high school class, a college course, or just love being organized, Notion is a fantastic tool for keeping things structured and visually engaging. Let's dive in and set up a comprehensive and organized syllabus in Notion together. First, we'll start by creating a new page. Open your Notion application. On the sidebar, you'll see a plus sign next to New Page. Go ahead and click that. This will prompt you to name your new page. Choose something relevant, like Classroom Syllabus, or be more specific with a title such as Biology 101 Syllabus. Setting a clear title helps you easily locate this page later on, especially if you have a variety of ongoing projects in Notion. Now that you've created your page, let's make it visually appealing by adding a cover and an icon. At the top of your new page, you'll see options to Add Cover and Add Icon. Click on Add Cover to choose a banner image. Notion offers a variety of built-in options, or you can upload your own image if you prefer something unique. Next, click Add Icon to select an emoji or upload a custom icon that represents your class. These visual touches not only make the syllabus more appealing, but also help students quickly identify the page later. With our page set and visually spruced, let's move on to creating the main sections of your syllabus. This is where your organizational skills will really shine. Use Heading 1 and Heading 2 blocks to break down your syllabus into easily navigable parts. Start with larger sections like course information and instructor details. These provide students with an overview and let them know who's teaching the class. Next, add in the course description, which previews what the class will cover. Follow this with learning objectives, so students understand what they're expected to learn. It's crucial to include required materials as well, to prepare your students for what they'll need from day one. Once you've set the preliminaries, outline the weekly schedule. It gives students a roadmap of how the course will progress. Pair this with assignments to clarify what work is to be done outside class. Regarding assessment, clearly define your grading policy, which is essential for managing student expectations and eliminating confusion. Another vital section is classroom rules and attendance policy, helping maintain a respectful and engaged environment. Finally, and importantly, don't forget the contact information. Provide students with the best way to reach you if they have questions or need clarification outside of class hours. By following these steps, you've created an organized and effective classroom syllabus in Notion that's not only informative but visually engaging for your students. Remember, a well-structured syllabus sets the tone for a successful educational experience. Thanks for watching and